Hey everybody, it's TR back with another RV how-to video, and today I'm fixing this.
Hello, it's Real-Time TR, and I'm breaking in here to let you know that this video footage is just about 1 year old. I actually recorded this while I was getting Rusty, my 2004 Newmar Dutch Star, ready to go to his new owner. And a part of that deal was that I would fix a couple of problems, and one of them was this rock impact I took to the door. You'll learn more about that in a second. Anyway, I ended up having to buy a replacement door from Newmar. It cost around $600. And the reason I'm breaking in here is to let you know that at the end of the video, I don't have footage of the finished repair. I lost a chip somewhere. I lost one of these little SD, micro SD, mini SD chips somewhere. It's probably out of my toolbox, maybe out in the garage. I have searched everywhere for it. I can't find it. And I have searched hours of footage I have of the rehab of the RV, and I still can't find footage of it, so I apologize in advance. I do have some examples of some other patches I did. I had some clear coat cancer. Well, that's what I call it, but the clear coat was peeling. So I repaired that spot. I also had a big scratch in the battery bay door that I sanded out, primed, and painted, and I do show you the paint process for those patches, and it was essentially the same on the door. The exception to that would be I took the door back off, took it back in the garage, and painted it in the garage where I had a controlled environment. But again, I think the chip that I lost had all of that footage on it, had the last bits of the footage of the final install and what it looked like. And again, I apologize, but you know, stuff happens. And despite all that, I think there's value in the repair I did on the RV, so I'm going to go ahead and share that with you. And I hope you enjoy it.
Yeah, that's right. I'm fixing this door. The new owner's here. He's getting ready to pick the rig up. He's going to be staying in the driveway here for a couple days while we finish up a couple more outside projects. The inside's done. But today I got to tackle this. And what happened here was I got a rock. Now, I didn't hit one of them big ass rocks you see like in the RV parks they like to put there so that you can destroy your rig while you're trying to back into your spot. On the road I've traveled many times in my life, and it happened on Idaho 75. And I was following the Salmon River from Chalice to Redfish Lake when a rock rolled off the hill and I had no place to go. I couldn't change lanes, and I just had to take it. And so the rock rolled off and hit me in the water door here, and I'll show you that here because I've already been working on this for a while. That's why the door is off. But I need to get these scratches out, and so we're going to be working on that first. And the first thing I need to do is take this piece of tape off. And that was just on there to hide the major part of the sin, and it's in pretty rough shape. I don't know if it's going to come off. And this is that Gorilla tape, and it sticks like a dirty, well, you know. To minimize the damage, I'm going to use a plastic. This is actually a plastic body pin tool remover, but it works pretty good on this stuff. I need to tighten those up too, it sounds like. Alright, that's in pretty rough shape, so let's just give it a shot of this. This stuff works pretty good. I can't recommend it one way or another. I just picked this up at my local body supply store when I got the paint to repaint this door. But it does seem to work. It evaporates really fast though. Alright, we're going to tighten that up. That's not going to be acceptable. Ouch. So I'm gonna go get a piece of tape because this can be a perfect seam line to repaint this. And I'm not quite done sanding, but I want to put some tape up here to protect that surface so I don't sand into it. Wax and tar remover, it's called by all number of things. I'm just using that to prep this surface, get a good look at it. Alright, well, we need to fix this corner, and so I'm going to go mix up some Bondo. Got a little Evercoat lightweight body filler here. Got it on my hands already, which is usual. I should go get a pair of gloves. It'll be all right. A little bit of Bondo here. I don't have a plastic tray, so I'm just gonna and it says mix until it's uniform in color. It's a pretty green, isn't it? Maybe I won't have to paint. Probably will. Need a little more right on this spot right there. Alright, once you get it on, don't mess with it. I need just a touch on that corner. I'm just going to slop that on there. That looks pretty good. I think we're out of time. Now the real body guys looking at this are probably shaking their head going, that's stupid. Rah, 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 rah. Well, this is the way I'm doing it. Looks like we got a storm coming in, so I better hurry. I'm probably not going to get another coat on right now. I'll probably have to wait till this storm rolls through. I think we got time to do a quick coat. Alright, it's been a couple hours and the rainstorm has passed. This stuff is of course really dry. So I'm gonna go back at it with some 220. I think that's what I'm gonna start with. Actually, we'll start with some 150. All right, so I got just a little bit of a crater right here. Everything else is looking pretty good. I'm just gonna hit that with some spot glazing putty. Okay. Little defect right there. Get these gloves off so I can actually feel. That's good. Oh yeah, that's nice. Nice. Oh, that's good. All right, let's check over here. That just needs to be hit with some. This 320 will work. Now let me move you out of the way while I bash my head 10 times. Okay, this spot putty dries out real fast, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna real lightly with some 400 now. Sorry about all the noise, but the neighbor's having a tree taken down, and so we're going to power through it because we've got a decent day. It's got a nick in it. God damn it. Well, I'm going to need to fix that. The chainsaws are just out of control. I'll probably have to voice over this. I'm going to need to hit this metal with some sandpaper. Trip one of many, I'm sure. I'm gonna move you back here. So while we're waiting for that spot putty to dry, I'm going to get some masking done. Come on. Okay, this is masking. Sorry about the chainsaws. On the side seams where I'm not shooting paint, I just use the blue. I know you auto body guys are going to be upset with me about that. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be tired of chainsaws before long. Wax and grease remover. Make sure I get a good seam, good seal. Put the lid on, don't spill it. It's a limited resource. Now we can get this tape on here. And I'll just leave an edge loose. Like that. Stay there.
While I'm thinking about it, I want to let you know that I've got over 70 RV how-to videos on my channel right now. I'm linking to a playlist up in this corner if you want to check them out.
Hi there. Hi there. Are you spoiled? Probably. Probably really spoiled, huh? Okay, see you later. Nice to see you. Okay, so I'm about out of battery. I've got this mast off. That's just about dry. We'll sand it out in just a little bit and I'll be ready for some primer. But there's some other spots around the coach I'm working on, and so I'm going to go take care of those. And then I'll come back and we'll see if we can get a coat of primer on this. Okay, so I'm kind of working between gusts of wind here, but I think we'll get this done.
Alright, I'm going to cut in here again and just let you know this is the footage of the other repairs I did and how I painted those. The process was very much the same with the water bay door that I repaired.
I forgot to hit record the first time, but here's our custom matched paint. I need to let the breeze let down again. Let's go over here and do this other side where we're out of the wind. It's a pretty good match.
Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me that thumbs up. That's always appreciated. Don't forget to like, subscribe, do all that stuff. If you'd like to support the channel in another way, you could do so by visiting Amazon through the link in the video description. Click through that link, go anywhere on Amazon, purchase what you want. I'll get a small commission. You'll pay the same price. And I thank you in advance for your support, as well as the other affiliate links I have in there for Renogy and RecPro, which offer discounts. Again, as an affiliate, I get a small commission, but you pay the same price, and I thank you in advance for your continued support. Okay, so that'll do it for this one. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Till we get together for another RV how-to video, peace.